Sleep apnea is a condition where breathing repeatedly stops and starts during sleeping. It can have significant consequences on the overall health. While some people might ignore them, thinking of as minor symptoms, if left undiagnosed or untreated in the long term, it can be hazardous to both physical and mental health. The most immediate effects of sleep apnea include feeling sleepy during the daytime and being always tired. This impacts one's concentration, decision-making power, and control on one's own behavior. In children, sleep apnea can disrupt their night pattern, making it difficult for them to concentrate, learn better, memorize things, further impacting their academic scores. In older adults, being severely sleep deprived can even lead to dementia. Not just mental health, sleep apnea also severely impacts physical health. The repeated cycle of breathing interruptions can cause low oxygen levels in the body, which can further damage one's organs and blood vessels. If untreated, in future this can increase one's risk of developing a variety of health conditions, including heart diseases. Sleep apnea is linked to a higher risk of heart attacks, strokes, high blood pressure, and even cardiovascular problems. Respiratory problems, asthma, and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Metabolic disorders. Sleep apnea is associated with a higher risk of obesity, type 2 diabetes, and metabolic syndrome. Kidney diseases. Chronic kidney disease can be a complication of untreated sleep apnea. And cancers such as pancreatic, renal, and skin cancers. If you or someone you know is experiencing the symptoms of sleep apnea, it is important to recognize them and seek medical attention as early as possible. Early diagnosis and treatment can help prevent the serious health complications associated with this condition. We hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel.